Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to exchange coins to points in Poppo Live and Cashout. So this will be a very easy and straightforward tutorial, so let's get straight into it. You just have to follow these few simple steps. Now first, obviously open your Poppo app on your phone and then go to your profile button here in the bottom right. After that, you will find yourself on your profile and you will have two options, either coins or points. So whether you have coins that you want to transform or points that you want to transform to coins, you just choose whatever option you want. So let's just go with the points. For example, if I click on points, here I will have my available points, my total, my unconfirmed, etc. So here I can either withdraw or exchange points for coins. Now, say you have some points that you want to exchange for coins, then you can just click on this button. Or if you have like coins that you want to exchange to points, then you can do the same process. Now, if I want to withdraw, I just click on withdraw now and you will be good. So that was it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.